pamunuan ng Department of Justice, maging ang Department of Information and Communications Technology at ang Presidential Communications Office. Nagsalib pwersa ho para paigtingin ang laban kontra pagkalat ho ng fake news dito sa ating bansa. Alamin natin ang buong detalye ng balitang yan tinutukan ni Bombo Grant Hilario.
Nagsanib pwersa ngayong araw ang Department of Justice, Presidential Communications Office at Department of Information and Communications Technology upang maglunsad ng Oplan kontra fake news. Sa isinagawang programa, magkakasabay na nilagdaan ng mga kalim ng nabanggit na mga kaguruan ang isang kasunduan para itaguyod ang koordinasyon sa pagitan ng mga ahensya. Personal na dumalo rito sina Justice Secretary Frederick A. Vida, Information and Communications Technology Secretary Henry Ruel Aguda at Secretary Dave Gomez ng Presidential Communications Office. Sa pahayag, ibinahagi ni Justice Secretary Vida na ang patuloy na pagkalat ng maling impormasyon ay dapat harapin at hindi pagsawalang bahala. Naniniwala siya na dudulot ang fake news sa pagkasira ng tiwala ng publiko, kaguluhan sa gitna ng krisis at dibisyon o pagkakahati-hati. Subalit kanyang binigyang pagkilala naman ang kahalagan sa pagkakaroon ng whole of government approach upang ito'y malabanan.
This erode public trust, spark division, and fuel disaster and chaos. The Philippines cannot afford to ignore these threats. The Department of Justice, alongside the Presidential Communications Office, the PCO, and the Department of Information and Communications Technology, the DICT, have signed today a landmark Memorandum of Agreement to forge a unified whole-of-government response against the deliberate spread of these online falsehoods, misinformation, disinformation, and digitally manufactured deepfakes.
Habang mari namang sinabi ni Secretary Dave Gomez na ang inisyatibong ito ay hindi lamang puro salita kundi tiyak na aksyon na layon siguraduhin na papangalagaan ang karapatan ng mamamayan. Pagprotektaan niya ito sa karapatan ng taong bayan na magkaroon ng maka-access sa tamang impormasyon at gayon ding karapatan sa malayang pagpapahayag.
But our war on fake news is not about words. It is about protecting our constitutionally guaranteed right to accurate information and free expression. It is about holding to account those who spread lies, falsehoods, fake news, and disinformation. So today, the PCO, the DOJ, and the DICT are joining forces to establish a unified framework against fake news, online disinformation, AI-generated deepfakes, and digitally altered media.
Dagdag pa rito'y ibinahagi ng Department of Information and Communications Technology Secretary Henry Ruel Aguda na responsibilidad ng pamahalaan na panagutin ang mga nasa likod sa pagkalat ng maling impormasyon.
Kami po naman sa DICT, we provide the technology, cybersecurity, and infrastructure to defend truth in the digital space. Again, bakit natin ginagawa ito? Dahil ang impormasyon ngayon ay kasing lakas ng armas. Misinformation can cause panic, distort decisions, and weaken trust in institutions. At kapag nawala ang tiwala, mahihirapan tayong panatilihin ng isang matatag na bansa. A digital space where truth is protected, information is verified, and deception is held accountable. This is not just government acting on its own. This is a national responsibility po.
Mula dito sa Department of Justice, ito si Bombo Grant Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information, Bast Radio. Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.